Hi everyone, my name is Shayna. I am the CEO and founder of Bask and Lather. We are a line of high quality hair care products that are catered towards helping men and women all over the world grow hair that they love.
Hi, my name is Julia, and the CEO of Bask and Lather is my sister. When I was 5 years old, I lost my hair due to ringworm. The doctor said my hair would never grow back. Doctors misdiagnosed me, saying I had dandruff, and it turned out to be a ringworm. She used the Scalp Stimulator and the hair Elixir, and she washed my hair once a week.
My work is supposed to be a job. It's a job. You can't go to my job because my job is my work.
So tell me what it is about Bask and Lather that made you want to partner with us for your healthy hair journey.
Well, first of all, it's the female-owned brand. And that was the biggest thing for me because, I support my women. But outside of that, it's black-owned. And majority of the hair products that we love so much, they're not even curated for us. They're not made for us. They don't have ingredients that support all our different hair textures because Black people, we have so many different hair textures. So I think that's what it was. I felt included.
We just got to get into it. So you just told me, tell them how much you did revenue so far.
Yes, in 2.5 years, we did $16 million in e-commerce sales.
Yeah, so under 3 years,
Yes.
16 million. I ain't never heard nothing like that in my life.
It really works. When you put your heart and your love into people, it comes back, it transcends. So I just want to send you guys your flowers for,